Good morning. So it's time for breakfast, and I'm pulling out some of the leftovers we have. It's been pretty clear for a few years that we buy too much food and cook too much food. One of the problems is that I don't eat meat and poultry anymore. It's been like that for a decade, but the three other members of the family do. So basically, we usually have to make most nights if we make fish, it's one dinner, but if the other members of the family want meat, so then we have to cook two dinners. So today I have some leftovers, this beautiful cabbage medley my wife made yesterday when we had some fried whiting. Here's some store-bought tofu from the H Mart where I got the whiting, the Korean supermarket where I got the whiting, and then some mashed kabuki squash with extra virgin olive oil, also from the H Mart. Prepared an egg white omelet. These are cage-free egg whites from Costco with some grated Parmesan cheese, some smoked wild sockeye salmon also from Costco, slices of that. I added some medium spicy salsa, the organic salsa that Costco carries, and then some organic arugula I picked up at H Mart yesterday. It's up to you whether you want to wash your triple washed salads and greens when you bring them home, or just use them right out of the container. Since the pandemic started, I've been washing it. Today I didn't. So I've added that to the plate, and something else, I think. Yeah, one more addition. Addition to the plate is this tzatziki I made from organic yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic powder, and dried herbs like mint and oregano, dill. So that's my breakfast of leftovers. Enjoy.